Hello YouTubers, we're back here at this big Quonset hut. We did get our 158 10-inch anchor bolts. We're starting to install them. Piece of cake. We've each got a Honda compressor generator running, and we've each got a big hammer drill going. So with any luck, we can get this done today. We did get a couple hoops up. The wind came up and we just had to stop. This one's the next one up. It's a huge, ugly thing to set these. Very stressful. And the process repeats itself. It's a beautiful day up here in the mountains. And I'm thankful to be working. Thanks for watching.